Another clippy clip for the Grand fam. I had it in sport, and the traction control was off, and I also brake boosted, but it's so gutless that it didn't even spin the wheels on snow. And only thing that spun in snow was my phone and the tripod. No poisid, vaatame kus põiki ka läheb või? No väga vaikselt. Hullame siin vaikselt tasapisi, pole ammu hullanud ja nii ongi. See if we can get it slightly sideways. I haven't done this in ages. I was away last year and I didn't have a four-wheel drive car there. It really doesn't want to go sideways, to be honest. I'm in second gear, so it should have torque, but I can't fucking go insane either. I don't want to crash. This car is a pig, man. It's hardly a race car. Shit. Let's not try to attract too much attention with my GoPro setup. Let's see. Yeah, it goes sideways, but easy. The city streets. There may be a police officer just behind me, so I'm just gonna cruise here. I'm recording for a totally different reason. I'm not recording here how flamboyantly I could take a corner, but I'm recording to capture some footage for a video. Might upload this, why not? Like, who cares? It's my channel. Like, I should have made it like ASMR or how they call it. I don't even know what that means. Basically me being quiet and driving in the wintry Italian, but whatever, man. Whatever, what not. This is a tight hole to get into, so fuck no, I ain't drifting anything here. Maybe just a little bit. This car has like weird response. Like it holds RPMs after I've taken my foot off the gas, so I don't know what the fuck's going on there. Sorry for the language, because it's kind of spooky, because I've taken my foot off the gas and it's still like it's still revving, so it's not dropping the revs. It's an old girl, so yeah, not used to it, having it in sport, but now I have to put it into drive, because the main part is coming up. The reason why I'm filming. Yeah, you can go. I mean, what the fuck should I care about accelerating straight in snow? My car is most likely faster than yours anyway, if you don't have some secret snow tires. But what I'm trying to show you guys here comes up in a second. What I wanna do here. I hope the conditions don't like ruin it in any way. Just put a traction control on just in case. So this is where the section starts. Let's clear the window a bit. I hope the conditions aren't ruining what I'm trying to do, because it kind of looks it may. We got all sorts of people having fun today. I don't know what's the point of accelerating straight in snow. Okay, yeah, you have to be in this lane. Like, whatever. The van man is most likely the fastest man around here, so I don't know what did you achieve with this Fucking idiot. So yeah, I'm not a fan of people around me driving. So this is like the test section. What I would love to show you here is the fact how this 3.2 FSI and 6-speed Triptronic combo tends to take a bit away from the luxury feel of this A8, because it tends to hold the gear a bit too high. So it, like when I'm going 50, it likes to be in 5th, and then when I try to accelerate, it just leaves the car feeling gutless. But I can't do this if these assholes are in front of me. What the fuck are you doing? Everybody's struggling. Okay, this is, you see, yeah, now it had to downshift. It didn't show the shifting on the screen, but it downshifted. So I'm trying to like go 54. I'm trying to speed up. Yeah, and it needs to downshift. So this is kind of, in essence, what takes a bit away from the luxury feeling of this car for me, or luxury premium. Let's call it premium, because some smartass will write to me that fucking cops. Okay, I'm gonna make it cops. Sorry. That's the only option I had at the moment. Not braking here. See if they come down the street. But anyway, what I was trying to show there is the 3.2 FSI is a bit of a small engine for the full premium feel of this car. It at times likes to be in a bit of a too high of a gear, and then when you want to accelerate, then it needs to downshift and like rev a bit. And my previous Audi was a C5 RS6, so obviously torque for days, power for days. So I was kind of used to that when driving an Audi, and like it's an okay engine. It's an okay engine for this car, for cruising. Most of the time, like no problem whatsoever. You're not in a desperate lack of power, but obviously having a bigger engine will make driving a bit more comfortable, a bit more, yeah, premium feeling. You know, you always have power available under your right foot, so it kind of makes overtakings, accelerating, everything that more adds an element of comfort to it. Let's put it like that. But anyway, just cruising through the snowy Italian here. Let's see if we get sandwiched here or not. I think we can fit. Actually, this is a cool shot actually, but actually I want to go right, and I know this bus will go straight ahead. So, but I did it for the shot anyway. I wasn't thinking on getting where I'm going fast. Yeah. This spontaneously became some sort of a video, so now I'm thinking on uploading it. Let's take the ESP off. I think I got the little shot I needed. Maybe my explanation wasn't the best, but I got the moment where it had to downshift so I could accelerate a little. That was exactly what I was trying to catch on video here, the reason why I'm filming. Kind of would want to go sideways, but I don't want to get into any trouble. Yeah, there's too much asphalt here, and again the car just keeps accelerating for like a second and a half or something after I've taken my foot off the gas. Let's just put it down to wear and tear. Okay, it's pretty boring, to be honest, what I'm filming here, because I'm just driving, cruising through the snowy Italian. I wasn't planning on making some sort of crazy driving video here, because really my driving skill is not enough with this car to show you some insane shit. I'm afraid this car is a bit too underpowered, too long and too heavy for me to really go insane with it. This is my daily driver, so I would love it to stay intact every corner, every inch of this vehicle should stay in one piece so we could do our daily driving. But yeah, I mean, rambling has never been a problem. Like making a proper YouTube video with proper informative or opinionated fluid diction and ideas, that's fucking difficult. But just talking about random shit, no problem. I think just random boring shit I can go on for days, man, no problem whatsoever. And we're like cruising like pussies here. Speed limit is 70. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice. I was in Iceland, but it's different there because it's quite a bit warmer, to be fair. Like at the moments it was showing -5 today or something, and I think that was max cold that Iceland had last year. So Estonia is definitely different in that sense, because in Iceland it would snow and it would be gone in like 2 or 3 days. But here, I guess, given that the climate has gone warmer in Estonia over the past years, then this snow might not yet stay, but it can. I mean, I think it's gonna be a warmer in a week or so, or a few days even, but yeah, it would be cool if it would be a cold winter with a lot of snow. Then maybe ice tracks. I could put the studs on the Subaru and we could make some cool content with that, I suppose. Yeah, let's drive through the parking lot here. Let's capture the wintry Tallinn for a second. Let's see where the Hooners at, because this shopping center has been here, I'm not 100% sure, but like 20 years more or less, give or take. So this parking lot has always been, it used to be like this huge meetings here, and then people would go on car meetings, then people would go on to like drag race and shit at pre-arranged locations. Only few people who came here knew the location, then everybody would gather here and go on from here to those races. But now, I mean, yeah, I guess cops will happily come and do a little nom on you if they would come here. There's another parking lot where these people tend to meet these days. But yeah, no drifters, come on. There's an A8, there was BMWs, those guys were hooning. That was an S4, an S4, Audi S4. The car is S4. We got a, yeah, that guy is hooning. Whatever, let's make a circle. To all my, yeah, I could post it on Instagram to all my gram homies. This one is for you. Let's make sure that there's nothing here. So let's just send it. Yeah, the response is kind of shitty. I don't know why. To all my gram fans, but anyway, the throttle response is odd, I'd say, real odd on this car at the moment. I'm not a big fan. Then again, you know, my fun car is an STI, so you know, it's just bound to be completely different. But yeah, there's a lot of people out having fun in the snow. I'm not that keen, to be honest. I don't know, I'm 30 years old now, and it's kind of, there's a 350Z there, or Z, or whatever you want to call it. Oh shit, we got a drifter coming from behind us. There's a student driver car there, but let's see. I'm just gonna get out of the way of this drifter man. he wants to definitely go here and drift, but I'm just gonna get out of his way. And let's see, there's a 350Z here. He's struggling to drive. One wheel peel, one wheel peel. No, I don't know if these are one wheel peelers or not. I don't know, it doesn't look that it would have too good of a tires on. There's Audis and shit here drifting. I'm not gonna get in his way, I'm just gonna try to get a better angle. He has a homie filming it, so see what he can do. I don't know how much you can see through the screen here. Too lazy to go outside. I mean, this is hardly an exciting footage. But I guess I'll wrap it up here. I mean, a little drive through Tallinn and you got some free 350Z drifting action. Come on, let's see, let's bring the screen up a bit. So anyway, I mean, I'm gonna upload it. Why not? It's my channel, I can upload whatever the fuck I want. So there's that. So I mean, yeah, bye.